If you've forgotten your password for Qapital or simply want to reset it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Qapital app. Launch the Qapital app on your device or visit the Qapital website on your browser. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the main screen, locate the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Qapital account in the provided field and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email for instructions. Look for an email from Qapital with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Qapital account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Qapital's customer support for further assistance.